Okay, we're doing a how to cook shirataki rice. So first I get about a half a cup of shirataki rice. I get about 2 cups of boiling water. Pour the boiling water into the pan. And then turn this on full. Frying pan will do the same thing. This is an electric skillet. And this is just the washing process. Just want to clean the rice before we actually cook it. Well, I'd say this is the combination cleaning cooking process. Bring it to a boil and let it boil for about 3 minutes. Okay, and after 3 minutes, I take it to the strainer. Just pour it in the strainer. Shake out some excess water. Put it back in the pot. And then return it. Return it to the pan. Turn the heat back on. Usually about a medium heat. And for me, I like to add a little bit of olive oil spread. You can put maybe a teaspoon of olive oil in it. I use about 3 or 4 teaspoons of this spread. And then you pretty much just stir this around until it becomes fluffy and a little drier. I'm going to try to get out any excess water. But you do this also for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it should be done. Again, after about 2 to 3 minutes of stirring to dry it up, and it becomes, fluffy, a little drier, just like any other white rice, jasmine or whatever. You can stir it as long as you feel it's needed to the fluffiness that you like. And that's it. Turn it off. It's an electric pan or a regular pan. Transfer it to a plate. And voila. Shirataki rice. Nice and fluffy. And you can add garlic. You can add garlic salt. You can add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of seafood, whatever you want to, to make it the way you want. But the basic shirataki rice, that's it. Enjoy.